Everybody, so what I have here is my Haley Strategic Partners D3 chest rig micro, and I'm going to be doing some modifications on it today, or some upgrades. So what we have here already is we have the D3 micro. I've upgraded to an H harness on there, and I have a multi-mission hanger right there. So, and then you see between here I have a Snake Staff Systems wide tourniquet, and I changed out the backstrap for a backstrap that I got from, who did I get it from? I got it from T3 Arms. That's who I got it from. T3 Arms, folks. So micro chest rig, D3, H harness, got my multi-mission hanger, and right here I have the Snake Staff tourniquet on a Velcro wedge right there. And what I'm going to be doing to this today, so I took the mags and everything off to do all this stuff, is I'm going to be doing two modifications. First, I'm going to be putting a small chest pad on there, because small goes on the D3. And then I'll be putting some D3 chest rig side saddles on below, next to that. So the pad comes in two colors, black and tan, or FDE. I went with the FDE because it's going to be against my skin. Cleanliness, I can see how dirty it is, which is nice. And I like things that I can take on and off to be contrasting colors at times. As you can see here, so the chest rig and the multi-mission hanger are black multicam. I got the side saddles here in Ranger green. I could have got them in black, but you know, I want the contrasting colors. So let's get going here and start this modification. So let me unstrap the back here. Okay. Let me get the chest harness off, get that out of the way. So H harness is off. The back strap is off. Let's flip this bad boy over. I have the original pad that came on it right there. Okay, I'm going to take the multi-mission hanger off. And now what I need to do is take these buckles off. I should be able to get them with my fingers, I'm hoping. Otherwise, I'm going to have to get a screwdriver or something. But usually I'm strong enough to get this stuff with my fingers off by just pulling down real hard and then wedging. There we go. See? So these, there's two of them here, right? Came with hangers. I attached them already. These will go in the drawer as spares, backups when things break, stuff like that. Pop those off. Come on, there we go. And the last one right here. Because once I put the side saddles on, I don't need these anymore. So these will go on pads to the back, obviously. And then what happens is back here you can attach different things. Like if I was using a chest carrier back here, I could attach the chest carrier in. Actually, what I do here is, like, the chest carrier would have these on there and you'd attach those in. But I don't need those because I am purely using the Velcro, and I don't need to. I guess I could. Let me see if I can. Let me see if I can do that for the extra security. So you see they have the little clips in there, right? See those clips? Let me try it. Clips go on easy enough, so that shouldn't be an issue. All right. So it'd just be some extra security, I guess. I guess that can never hurt, right? A little bit of origami going on here. Let's see if I can do that and then pull that through. Let's see if that works. I did watch a week ago or so when I ordered these. They came in less than a week, which was nice. It's one of the things I like about Haley Strategic. They always have stuff in stock, really, unless it's one of their big sales, like, you know, their Thanksgiving sale when everything runs out or something. But let's see if I can get this through here now. Yeah, there we go. That's probably the easiest way to do it. There we go. So that's secures in there. So that's not coming off, right? That's what's nice about that. Oh, you know what? I almost forgot. One of these is left and one of these is right. So it says it in here, I think. Chest rigs. So this is the left side. So of course I put this one on the wrong side. So let's see if we can get this back out. Tight the Velcro. There we go. All right, now let's do it the right way. So let me get these hooks off. It makes sense because, you know, because what it is one side. Now, I don't know the particulars about why they have it set up like that. Why they're not just ambi. I'm sure there's a good reason for it. But what I can tell you is, like, once I get this off there. Oh, I'll show you on this one. This is got padding down here, and this is sewn up here on this edge. So this being on the right, let's see. All right, this is the right one. This is the left one. So this will be sitting on the left side. That means this padding would be up against your skin below your, you know, below your armpit. So that makes sense right there. So let's get this hook off. There we go. Okay, so now we'll do it on this side. Okay, so this is the right one. See, it says, see that right there? It says right. So that one goes like that. And they both go in opposing directions. One's facing up, one's facing down. I guess so probably less chance of them coming off by mistake. Okay, so those are on. Now I got to weave the Velcro through, the Velcro panel. Right on. Okay, I'm going to pull these tight and then Velcro that down. There we go. So the right one is now on the right side. And we will put the left one on the left side. There we go. There's one. And there goes two. Right on. So pretty simple. Now I will run the Velcro through. This stuff is, this laminate they use is stiff, but it's not unworkable, which is nice. So as you can see, it's interesting. This Velcro runs a little higher than this. I don't know why. I don't know if it can be shifted up or down or not. I don't think it can. So if I put it down here, I feel like it's torquing on it, but it seems to work okay. Let's try that with this thing. I shift it down, even it out. Seems to be working okay like that. All right, so there we go. We got the side panels on, and now this just is going to Velcro right on the back pad. Right, but before I put that on, let's reattach my tourniquet and multi-mission hanger. Tourniquet straight. There we go. The tourniquet hanger is T-Rex arms, by the way, if anybody's wondering. I like to let it hang a little bit lower. That's not quite centered. Let's get that center. I like to let it hang a hair bit lower than it should or could, just to be able to get to that tourniquet. So let's get right to the top of these. right there. There we go. And the nice thing is this covers most of the Velcro right there. So there's the rough part of the Velcro right there, or hook and loop, the rough part of the hook and loop right there. So I've had that catch on my clothing before when wearing the plate carrier during training sessions. This pad's much wider, so the pad is actually covering some of that dangler. You know, actually, I think what I'm going to do is this. Here, let's do this. Peel this off. I'm going to put the pad on here so it comes to the bottom. Get it centered. Oh, you got to love Velcro. That looks about centered. So there we go. I got the Velcro pad on there. Make sure the tourniquet's hanging down. Put this on there. Right there. Now I'm fully protected. A little bit of Velcro sticking up there, or I say hook and loop, whichever it is. I don't know if it's the hook or the loop. Let's center it a hair more. I like things to be very, very square. Mind your stuff. Drives me nuts when things aren't square. Like, see how that's off right there? Again, that's probably because I'm trying to pull it down or something like that. So I'm going to go back to here and see if I can get it all covered with that pad. Okay, so there we go. There we go. Boom. Now I have these. Now I don't have anything on them at the moment. My goal is to put a radio on one of these and probably be another multi-mission pouch, like a utility pouch for a flashlight, or even another mag. Right now I carry a Leatherman on this side, and I carry a pistol mag here, and I have a flashlight that's in my pocket, and I would eventually like the flashlight to go, a flashlight to be permanently mounted here, so it'll probably be a bang holder, a flashlight, and a radio, or vice versa, something like that. Figure out which side I'm put the radio on when I get it. So that's that. Let's put the chest harness back on, or the H harness, I should say. Excuse me. Clip one of these sides in. Make sure these didn't come so we're even again. Thought I had stretched one of these. Yeah, it looks like this one's a little shorter, so let's do, these are the ones that come under the armpit. So let's give myself a little extra room so I can pull these tight when I need it. Okay. These one will clip up here and the other one will stay free. I'll put the belt on down here, and then what I'll do is I'll show you guys the system. Now, unfortunately, this strap isn't quick adjust, so I have to adjust it based off what I'm going to be wearing routinely in that time of year. Like I was on the range yesterday teaching my fighting carbine 1 class wearing the system, and you know, I had on Saturday I was actually teaching my practical rifle skills, on Sunday my fighting carbine. Saturday I was wearing my soft body armor under this, and Sunday I just wore this, so there was a slight adjustment in this for those two garments, but it's an easy, I unclip it, bring it around, make the adjustment, and reclip it. All right, so now let's get this thing fitted up. So obviously these side panels extend the width of the chest rig. Probably make them more like a heavy. In the end, you probably just bought a heavy. So this is going to have to be tightened up a little, the back strap. So I did tighten it up a little already. I tightened up the H harness a little already. Let's see where we go with this. still a little bit long. Let's tighten it up some more. So nice about this T-Rex Arms backstrap, it's got some flex on it, which is super nice when I'm breathing. I mean, that could be a weak point in the future, but for now, it's been just fine for the I don't know, 7 months I've been using it. Here we go. Okay. I like that. So again, made the mod of the side panels right here, and I did them in Ranger Green, just a little contrasting color to the multicam black. They don't make them in multicam black, so I got them in these, and instead of just plain black. And then I got the pad on there. Now the pad I won't know about until I start using this thing in my next training session or next hike I go on or something like that. Just so you know, so inside of the main pouch here, I carry a couple bangs, and I have a notepad, pen, pencil, a couple spare batteries for flashlights. I keep it centered, and what I do is I put these pull tabs through just to help with a little bit of security, so it doesn't accidentally open up if this gets pulled by a branch or something. You know, it'll keep it from opening up crazy like that. So I do that, and I know it's like that, so I know if I have to do it, I have to pull it apart. And then in the dangler, it's all med stuff. So in the dangler, I've got this thing packed, or not dangler, the multi-mission hanger, excuse me. Dangler's a different company. In the multi-mission pack here, hanging down, multi-mission hanger, I've got, I think I've got a 4-inch, or no, maybe a 3-inch compression bandage. I've got at least 3 Z-fold or rolled gauzes in there. One might be hemostatic, the other 2 are not. I've got 2 chest seals in there. I've got a decompression needle. I got a nape airway. I have a regular full-size tourniquet in there. I don't know which one it is, but I have a regular full-size tourniquet in there. So that's what I carry. So normally this would have, you know, the multi-tool here. I'll have a pistol mag here when I put it all back together. I'm running 3 rifle mags here. There is a utility pocket here, right, that I can put stuff in. I like that a lot. And I took them off, but there's a pair of scissors that go right here in this little utility pouch, a pair of trauma shears. This can carry any number of things inside there. And then the 3 mag holders right there. So good setup. I like it a lot. I can totally recommend the D3 Micro to anybody out there looking for a non-plate carrier chest carrier. And I also took this setup and I mimicked it, and I have it on my carrier. My carrier is a Faro Concept Slickster. I have this on there. This and this with the 3 mags across the front. So this is my setup. I hope you guys like this video on the mods I made to my D3 chest rig Micro. Okay, and if you want to see any other videos in the comments down below, go ahead and tell me what you want to see. If I have it, or I can get it, and I can afford to get it, I'll do it. You guys want to donate, feel free to donate to the company, and I'll make videos off your donations. That's not a problem. Otherwise, I video what I have, video anything new I decide to buy, and try to make as much good content for you guys as possible. Teach classes monthly, whether it's handgun, shotgun, or rifle. I have a great shotgun class coming up next week, 2.5-hour skills class, and I'm teaching those routinely. They're all on my website, pageperformanceshooting.com. You can check out my social media, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, even though I'm a little vacant on Twitter sometimes, but all the other ones. And then give me a like, a share, subscribe. Okay, guys? Everybody stay safe out there. Stay free.